welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. So for today's Smoothie Sunday recipe, I'm going to be making a mint patty smoothie. So what I'm going to be using is the Happy Way cacao powder, the Happy Way choc mint protein powder, the vegan one. I'm going to be sneaking in some greens. So I've got some baby spinach and some fresh mint leaves. However, you can omit them or add them depending on your taste. I've got some frozen banana, some date syrup, you could use maple syrup or rice malt, and I'm going to be using almond milk. So all I'm going to do is simply add everything into the blender, blend everything until it's nice and smooth, and then it's ready to serve.